Hey, what's going on guys, Pizza Lake with here, and in this video I'm gonna show you 4 examples what you can do with the crop effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's go and see the first one. Starting with the first example, I've got already video onto the timeline, and the next thing I will do is go to this little icon where it says new item. I'm gonna click on it and go up to adjustment layer. I'm gonna click on the adjustment layer as well. Then I'm gonna use the same settings as the sequence and click on OK. After that, I'll grab the adjustment layer and apply it above the video and also extend it so it can match the length of this video. Then make sure you select the adjustment layer, go to those 2 little arrows, click on them and select the effects. From here, I'm gonna type down, guess what? Crop. And the next thing I'll do is grab the crop effects and apply it to the adjustment layer. Next, I'm gonna move up to the effect control panel, go down to the crop effects, and straight away I'm gonna create keyframes onto the top and bottom by clicking on those stopwatches like that. Then I'm gonna move the cursor to somewhere over here and increase both top and bottom to 15%. And like that, we have created this cinematic black bars animation. Going to example number 2, I will duplicate this video one more time by holding Alt and the left button of the mouse. And while I still got the first video selected, I'll go up to the effect control panel and delete the Lumetri color preset. Then I'm gonna move down to the crop effect, grab it and apply it to the video onto the top. And then I'm gonna go again back to the effect control panel, scroll down to the crop and create a keyframe on the left. Then I'm gonna move the cursor a few frames forward and increase the value up to 100. And when I play it from the beginning, we've got this before and after color grading animation. Coming up with example number 3, I'm gonna create a split screen animation. And as you can see, I've got 3 videos onto the timeline. And the next thing I will do is to click on this show rulers icon. This is gonna bring us these rulers onto the program monitor. And if you don't see this on your program monitor, you can click on this plus button and add the rulers by dragging it onto the program monitor. Then I'm gonna go to the left, and as you can see, we've got arrows pointing to the left and to the right, and by holding the left button of the mouse, I'm gonna drag a line somewhere around 322, and then I'm gonna drag another line to 642 or 44 like that. And by doing this, we have divided the screen on 3 equal parts. Then after I've done this, I'm gonna go down to the crop effects and apply it onto the top and onto the middle video. Then I'm gonna select the top video, go up to the effect control panel and change the position to the right so it can get into the right window, and then scroll down to crop, click on it and crop it to somewhere over here like that. Then I'm gonna do exactly the same with the middle video. I'm gonna change the position so I can move it to the left, and then I'm gonna go back to the crop and crop it to over here. And we don't need to apply any crop effect to the bottom video because it's perfectly positioned into the middle. And the last thing left to be done is to take these lines off like that and disabling the rulers. And now we've got a perfect split screen animation. And finally, with the crop effect, we can create a typewriter effect. That's too many effects in one sentence. Okay, the next thing I'll do is press on T or just click onto the type tool and create a text anywhere onto the program monitor. I'm gonna type down summer vibes because the summer is coming. Thank God for that. Then I'm gonna press escape and then V and resize the text like that and place it at the middle. Then the next thing I'll do is grab the crop effect and apply it to the text layer and move it to the beginning of the video. Then I'm gonna go up to the effect control panel, click onto the crop effects and drag this line to over here, which is the right option onto the crop effect. From there, I'm gonna go down to the right option and create a keyframe by clicking on this stopwatch. And then by holding shift and pressing the right arrow of the keyboard, we can move 5 frames forward. So make sure that you have the crop effect selected, and then I'm gonna move it frame by frame like that. And because this is gonna take a while, I'm gonna come up with the final result. And now when I play it from the beginning, we've got this typewriter effect. But if you want to be a little bit quicker or slower, what you can do is go up to the stretch tool, which is over there. Select it, stretch the text like that, then go to the keyframes, select all of them, right button of the mouse and hold. And when I play it now, we've got this, which is a little bit too slow. And then again, select the stretch tool, and then we're gonna shorten the text. We're gonna make this a bit quicker, like that. So you get it. If you want to be a little bit slower, you can make it longer, or if you want to be a little bit quicker, you can make the text shorter. And that's all for this video, guys. If you have more ideas how to use the crop effect, please share them in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.